The toy pack!
You're watching the toy park. So, guys, among all the Disney princesses, who do you like the most? Well, I don't know about you, but my favorites are Elsa and Anna. So that's what we're opening today, the frozen refrigerator set. Doesn't this look very adorable? Alright, are you ready? Because we're opening this right now. Wow, I'm actually very excited. Whew. Whoa, guys, this is really tough. I'm not gonna lie. We're almost done. Just be a little patient. Stay with me, okay? Woohoo, we're done. Are you excited? Yay! Okay. Let's see what we got here. Whoops, looks like I just dropped the sandwich. I'm kind of starving. I'm just going to dig in the refrigerator and see what kind of food I can get from here. Okay, so let me see. Oh, we have some pudding. What else we got here? We also have some ice cream. Don't you love ice cream as well? I love ice cream. I eat ice cream every day in summer. And wow. Oh, we also have some juice. Looks like it's, it's either green apple juice or grape juice. I'm not sure. I'm just judging from the color of the, bottle. There is a birthday cake here. I wonder whose birthday it is for today. Is this Elsa's birthday? Do you know, guys? Looks really yummy. It looks like it's a strawberry cake. Now let's move on to this side of the refrigerator. Oh, let's see. Ooh. Cream cheese. Cream cheese. We also have some meatballs. Oh, don't we all love mac and cheese? We just love it, right? I cannot live without it, definitely not. Let's see. Oh, other than juice, we also have milk. Ooh, we do have a bunch of varieties. See what this is. Oh, it's butter and chocolate. butter and chocolate. So some more milk. We also have a bottle of sparkling water right here. Well, and definitely some lime soda. And well, we're done with this part. Now we're moving on to this part. Ooh, looks like there are some sandwiches here. Ooh, it's a Japanese style of sandwiches. Do you recognize these? They are like really popular in Japan. So you can find this kind of food in any Japanese restaurants basically. Oh, and if you haven't given it a try, you should definitely ask mommy to bring you there. And well, some more pudding maybe? Or cake? Okay, grape juice. Oh, apple soda. And definitely some soy sauce. I'm thinking the soy sauce would go really well with the sandwich. Okay. Okay. Ooh, we've almost emptied this refrigerator. We're going into the very last part. Oh, what is this? I'm going to unwrap this with you. Make sure you stay with me. Wow. Okay, so we have carrot here. We have a tomato here. And definitely some lettuce. It's, it's such a healthy family with all the healthy food filled up, filling up the refrigerator. Okay, so... Oh, we also have some spicy sauce. Do you guys like eating spicy food? It's written here, hot and spicy. I would definitely have to stay away from this sauce. I'm really scared of eating spicy food. Okay, and the last item that we just found from this refrigerator is the cream puff. Okay, wow. Looks like there are lots of food here. Oops. There's a pot here. What is this for? I wonder why mommy puts this pot in the refrigerator. That's weird. I don't know what this is for. Okay, wow. Woo. Oh, there's just one more item here. Oh, it's cookies. For sure, right? Cookies for everybody. Okay, so just a final check. Looks like we're done digging into this refrigerator, right? Whoa, nice. Oh, let's go ahead and see if we can actually close this refrigerator. Because we all have to be environmentally friendly, right? We're wasting too much of the electricity. Ooh, nice. Look at this. Ooh. See? You can see Princess Elsa and Princess Anna right here. Isn't this super gorgeous? This looks really cool to me. Oh, this is nice. You can open it and close it at ease. See? just got home from supermarket and got us some more food. Let's see what she got. Ooh, nice. Look at this. She got him some turkey. I wonder why she got us turkey. Because last time I checked, today it's not Thanksgiving. Oh, some more butter? She must have forgotten that we still have butter at home. She's so careless, right? Some chocolate. And some more ice cream bar. Alright, well Elsa, don't forget to return the basket to the supermarket. Ooh, so far this toy looks really fun to me, you know, with all these toys, with all of the food here, with the fruit, you know, chocolate. What else we got here? Cake, cream puff, cookies, you know, and the microwave cupboard and refrigerator. This is like a complete set of your kitchen necessities, right? Everything's included. So I think we're done reviewing this very cute little refrigerator set today. So thank you for tuning in, and until next time, take care. Bye!